Hey everyone, this is Joe Baker, 401k guy, with our 401k tips and tricks. And today I wanted to talk about how to get a hold of your statements for your 401k account. A lot of times you need these if you're refinancing or applying for a mortgage, and also if you want to consolidate or use with your tax planner as far as information that they might need. So let's get right into it. Once you log on, and you're on my dashboard page, you can see down here the statements section. You can just go ahead and click on that anywhere, and this is going to pop up. It kind of shows your latest statements, past statements. And what I wanted to show though is if, say, a mortgage company wanted to see your last 2 months of statements, you could just generate a single statement by just clicking on see more, and then on select statement period you could just do this and hit custom, and then you could go ahead and select your dates, start date and ending date. And you can also have a basic or a detailed level, and the detailed level just shows more transaction detail, but as far as what the finance companies might want to see, the basic could be enough, but I would just do the detail in case they want anything extra. But that's pretty much it. It's very simple to do, and it's right there, right on the dashboard page. You just click on it and get going. If you have any questions on that, please shoot me an email or give me a call. Otherwise, we'll talk to you next time. Take care.